Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a code snippet in SwiftUI in order to use that in the future. So we are going to surround this image as a VStack, and we can extract that by selecting that VStack to a subview, extract subview, and now we have this struct called extracted view. So now in order to create the code snippet, we can select this struct and right click on it and create code snippet. So when you are going to reuse this, the same struct name will be come. So in order to allow the developer to provide that struct name, what you can do is just come up with angle bracket and hash, and you have to type the struct the tag name so they can enter the view name later, and you can put hash again and close it using ending angle bracket. Okay, now you can see the developer can double click on that tag, then they can enter the view name they want. Okay, also there is one called completion. So it allows you to create a shortcut to get this code snippet. For example, my custom view. Okay, now let's save this by clicking done. Alright, now we can just grab that from this library and go to snippets, and here we have my code snippet. Also, if you need, you can edit that. For example, here I am going to change the title of it. For example, you can say my custom snippet. I am going to drag that to here. Okay, now as I told you, there is a shortcut, which is if you type that the shortcut keyword, so you will able to get that. If you type my custom view that we provided when we create the code snippet here, now you will able to double click this tag name and provide whatever the struct name you want. For example, my view. Okay, and we can reuse that here, my view. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.